Samay Raina's YouTube show India's Got Latent is at the center of a storm. An unreleased episode featuring Ranveer Alabadia has triggered major backlash. Clips from the episode went viral, leading to FIRs against them for offensive language. The uproar intensified when the show's host, Samay Raina, deleted all past episodes. He also stated that he would cooperate with authorities. At a music launch event, A.R. Rahman made a cryptic remark. When asked to describe his music in emojis, he picked the mouth shut emoji. He added, and I quote, "We've seen what happens when people open their mouths," end quote. Vicky Kaushal, standing beside him, responded with a laugh. "Talk about roasting," he said. Producer Boni Kapoor strongly disapproved of the show's content. Here's what he had to say.
I really have no clue, but since he's been reprimanded by authorities, he's got an FIR, I'm sure. Then I read his apology also. What he did is something which I don't endorse at all. There has got to be limitations. There's got to be self-censorship also. Even if you've got, you talk of freedom of speech. Freedom of speech doesn't mean that you can talk things which are not socially acceptable. Within your home, you talk whatever you want to talk. But on social platform, you need to be careful and you need to be disciplined.
Actor Rajpal Yadav and Raza Murad had even stronger words. Here is what they said.
हम लोग कलाकार हैं, चाहे कहानीकार हो, पत्रकार हो, कथाकार हो, कलाकार हो या जितने भी इन्फ्लुएंसर या जो भी हैं, जितने भी जो कला के माध्यम से अभिव्यक्ति के माध्यम से सेवा करते हैं देश दुनिया की, उसमें जो भी कंटेंट हो वो कंटेंट में क्लास हो और मास हो, क्योंकि हमारा देश जो है ना वो संस्कृति और संस्कृत का देश। हम लोग हर रिश्ते की बड़ी इज्जत करते हैं।
माँ बाप के बेडरूम में घुस रहे हैं, जिस माँ ने आपको 9 महीने कोख में रखा, जिसने आपको अपने खून से सींचा, जिसने आपको दूध पीकर चलना सिखाया, जिस बाप ने आपकी परवरिश की, आप उनके बेडरूम में घुस रहे हैं। ये कहाँ का मजाक है? ये मजाक नहीं है, ये अश्लीलता है, ये भद्दा मजाक है।
TV actor Ali had a different take. He pointed out how public opinion on Samay flipped overnight. Posting on X, he wrote, and I quote, "They forced Samay to delete all episodes. Not cool. One episode should have been removed. Why erase everything? Just days ago, everyone praised him. Now they're against him. Kya yaar?" End quote. The backlash started when a controversial clip featuring Ranveer Alabadia went viral. After public outrage, he apologized. Now, with legal troubles mounting and Bollywood divided, the future of India's Got Latent remains uncertain. What do you think? Was the reaction justified, or did Samay Raina get unfairly targeted? Stay tuned for more updates.